everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another amazing video. In this video, we're going to give you details about the KOC University Postgraduate Scholarship Program in Turkey 2021. KOC University is a private sector non-profit university located in Istanbul. It is regarded as a top university for international students to study abroad. KOC University is ranked in the QS World Ranking at number 455 in the world. It is one of the Turkey's top private universities and ranked 31 in the list of top Asian universities. Those candidates who dream to study and explore Turkey, this is a golden opportunity for them. So make sure you don't miss this excellent chance to study abroad. Applications are now open for the KOC University Scholarship for the academic year 2022. KOC University is offering fully funded scholarships for international students. Students can undertake master's, MBA, LLB or doctoral programs under the KOC University Scholarship. Almost all the academic fields are offered for scholarship except medicine and nursing. The scholarship covers all expenses and everyone from all around the world can apply. Once you apply, your application will be automatically considered for scholarships. But please read all the details provided on this website and follow the tutorial accordingly to secure a position at the KOC University. You can check the list of programs offered at KOC University on our website and also on the official website of KOC program. The deadline for each program is different. You have to check the accurate deadline on the official page of the program you're applying for. To apply for the scholarship program, please click on the Apply for the Postgraduate Program Scholarship link. From this link, you will be redirected to the Fee and Scholarship section of the KOC graduate programs. You can check the fee of each program on this page, and to apply for a program, just go to Graduate Programs and Programs Offered. Here you can check out all the details about the graduate program at the KOC University. The disciplines offered at KOC University are Business, Social Sciences and Humanities, Sciences and Engineering, and Health Sciences. Scholarships are offered for Business, Social Sciences and Humanities, and Sciences and Engineering. Click on the school you want to apply for. Programs offered in each school will be listed in the section. For example, we will show you the application process for the MBA program. Here you can see the program overview, the curriculum. You can see the curriculum, research areas, course descriptions, student profile and placement of our PhD graduates, admissions, and online application and application deadline. To apply for this program, go to Online Applications and Application Deadlines. This is the application process, and to apply, click on Apply Now. Select your nationality. This is the KOC University online application portal. Here you have to select the program that you want to study, enter the program name and click on Search. After clicking on Search, this Find Program section will open. In this section, you can select the department in which you want to search your program, your program level, academic terms, study modes, and study language, and then click on Find Programs to find your relevant program. You can see there are different programs offered in the Graduate School of Business under the MBA search section. You can select the MBA that you want to apply for. For example, let's select Masters in Business Administration non-thesis. The deadline for this program is 30th June. As you can see, the deadline for each program is different. Just click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. If you have not logged in before to the KOC University application portal, you have to click on I am a new applicant. Enter your email address to start your registration. A one-time login link will be sent to your email address. Please check your email. This is the email that you will receive. In this email, click on Register. After clicking on Register, you will be redirected to this page. You have to enter your full name and a password, and then click on Register. Then you have to fill the following fields. Your name and email address will be added. You have to add in your phone number, your nationality, and then after filling in the form, click on Continue. Then you have to add in details in your profile section: your given name, your middle name, your family name, your gender, your marital status, your nationality, your citizenship, country of your residence. Then you have to give in your parents' information, your father's given name, father's family name, your mother's given name, your mother's family name, and then a formal photo of yourself. Then you have to add in your passport details, your passport number, issue date, expiry date, country of issue, your ID card number, and your date of birth and your country of birth. After adding in your personal information, you have to add in your contact details, your email address, your residential address, where you have to add in your street address, house number, apartment number, city, town or village, region, province, and country. Then you have to add in your telephone details, your evening home phone, and your mobile phone number. Then you have to add in details about your education. Please fill in the educational information for all the degrees you have obtained, listing the highest degree obtained first. You may upload your transcript in a PDF file format on the checklist button in the lower left corner. If there is missing information required to submit the application, it will be shown as a warning on your checklist. You have to add in your level of education, start of studies, expected graduation date, official name of your school and institution, your GPA, and your average grade possible. If you want to add in more education details, you have to click on insert new block here and then add information in that. Then you have to add in your test scores. Applicants who do not enter this English language proficiency score may still apply, but if you want to obtain a scholarship, you must give in details about your test scores. To add in test scores, click on add a score. After adding in scores, move to the employment section. In this section, you have to add in your work experience, your employer name, type of business, occupation or position, level of responsibility, and your responsibilities or skills acquired and competencies. You have to add in the start date and end date and your employment type. If you want to add in more information, then you have to click on insert new block. After adding in your employment details, click on activities. In this section, you can add in any honors or awards that you have received, extracurricular activities you have participated in. You can submit certificates or evidence of participation in these activities in the checklist. To add information, click on insert new block. After adding in activities, you have to give details about your referee. You have to provide at least one referee letter, your referee's full name and referee's email address. Then you have to submit your documents. You can check the documents required from the checklist, your transcript, test scores, activities, your CV, proof of English language proficiency, reference letters, and an MBA essay. After adding in all these documents, you have to click on submit to submit your online application. After submitting your online application, you do not have to fill any other additional forms for the scholarship. When you will be selected at KOC University, you will receive an official notification from KOC University that you have been selected for a scholarship. Just follow the steps provided from KOC University. To apply for this program, just click on the link given in the description section and follow the steps given in this video. Thank you so much for your interest in this video, and we will be back with more videos.